In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the black and white notifications on your iPhone after iOS 26's update. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But it's actually very annoying if this happens or anything like that. So the first thing you want to do is go to your settings, scroll down until you find accessibility. So click on that, and then you're basically going to see a lot of different things here. You want to go to display and text size. And if you have reduced transparency, increased contrast, or differentiate without color enabled, you want to go ahead and disable them like how I have right now. What you can also do is go to display and brightness and switch it from light mode to dark mode, or you can put it to automatic if you want to as well. And another thing you can do is press in an empty area, press edit on the top left, and then you're going to see edit pages or customize. So I'm going to hit customize, and then I can just choose which layout I want, or just go back to, I can just reset it basically. Now, the final thing I'd recommend doing, because it might just be a glitch, is holding down your volume button up and your power button together, and then just slide to power off. And then after you've slid to power off, you just want to go back into your phone and restart it, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.